you're a YouTuber and you're making videos. You have different goals and you have information that you want to share with people, and you have things that you want to do with your YouTube channel, right? You want to put your work out into the public so you can be recognized for what you do. I have come to a point where I realize that I have these certain goals, but if I don't ever make it to any of my goals, I want you guys to be able to reach your goals. And if I can help you and give you a piece of information that's going to help you get there faster and a smoother transition, then that's what I'm going to do. A lot of people aren't going to watch this video because I'm not a huge channel, but I encourage you guys to share this information with other channels and with other YouTube friends and things like that, because it's very, very valuable information and it could save people a lot of money. One of my goals as a YouTuber right now, a short-term goal of mine, is to reach 10,000 subscribers just so I can be able to travel to New York and access the YouTube space. That's one of my short-term goals in YouTube. It seems like it's going to take a long time for me to get there, but eventually, hopefully, I'll get there. Another goal of mine, let's face it, everybody wants one of those nice YouTube plaques. You have to have 100,000 subscribers to get it. All of us aren't going to get that plaque. I might never see that plaque because I'm way far away from it, but I'm not doubting myself. But you know, there's potential for everybody. These tips that I'm going to tell you right now are going to help you absolutely increase the chances of you reaching your goals. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go on your cell phone or whatever device you use to get online, your iPad or whatever. Go on your cell phone and download YouTube Creator Studio. That's the first thing that you got to do. If you're a YouTuber and you don't have Creator Studio downloaded already, then I don't know, you're obviously not taking this seriously, or maybe you just don't know about Creator Studio. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like just so you guys can see. And if you guys can see right now on my screen, I've got the YouTube app, then I got the Creator Studio app. I'm gonna do a screen capture on my phone so you guys can see it. The second thing you're gonna need for this is you're going to have to, a lot of people browse YouTube in Safari, like I used to use Safari a lot, and I still do use Safari a lot, but when it comes to YouTube, you want to use Google Chrome, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. So you can go into Chrome, Google Chrome, and download the Chrome extension called VidIQ. So you're going to download VidIQ, right? Now, let's talk about VidIQ for a hot second. VidIQ is a powerful, powerful tool that you can use once you download the plugin, and it interacts with YouTube and Google so that when you go onto YouTube, you're able to access a lot of information about your videos and other people's videos to help you see where your video falls and where your videos fall in search ranking. It has information about your search engine optimization. It has information about how much money the video is making. It has information about your tags, which is the most important thing that we're talking about here as far as I'm concerned, hint, hint. But VidIQ wants you to pay a fee, which is okay. There are a lot of YouTubers right now that pay a fee to get VidIQ to give them better search tags so people that searching using search terms can find them better, okay? So what I figured out, these two things that are not related to each other, YouTube Studio and VidIQ. If you go into YouTube Studio, right, and you go to any of your videos, the video has to be up a little bit for a little bit amount of time for YouTube and Google to collect some data on the video. But if you click on one of your videos in Creator Studio and you go right to the middle of the page where it says View More, click on View More and then scroll over to Discovery. Under Discovery, if you scroll down a little bit, it says there's a bracket that says Top YouTube search terms. If you take those terms, you can actually click on the terms, and it'll give you a whole list of all the terms and all the tags that people typed in their browser to find your video. If you take those tags and you put them in the tags of your video, each line, put them in the tags of your video, go on to VidIQ, because you can see in VidIQ where your ranking is already. So you type those terms in one by one and refresh the page, refresh the browser, and you'll just watch your VidIQ SEO score go straight up through the roof. I did this with quite a few of my videos and it 100% works. Leave a comment in the description to let me know if this is working for you, because it works for me. I'm guaranteeing you that it's going to work for you. Your SEO score is going to go up, period, point blank, period. And it's going to help you be more searchable online, thus causing you to get more views and helping you get your content out there to the proper people that are searching for it. Higher up in the pages, more views, more dinero, more subscribers, etc., etc. Now, if you don't understand something about what I just explained to you, just leave a comment in the comment sections. Ask anybody in the comment section. I answer my comments like that. I respond fairly quickly because I'm a very small channel and I don't get that many comments to where it's overwhelming. Most of my comments and my questions come from my how-to videos. So, like, if there's anything that I can do to further help you understand what I just explained to you, then just leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll answer you as fast as I can if I have the correct answer for the questions that you're asking. I just wanted to make this video to help you guys, man. So if the information is helpful, just try it out. Try it out. If the information is helpful, just drop a comment in my comment section that says it worked. All right, let's see how many it works we can get. And if it worked for you, share this video with your friends. Don't be stingy. Share the video with your friends, because guess what? If I can't make it, I want to see you guys make it. And if you guys can't make it, you guys should want to see some of your friends make it, you know? But at the end of the day, this information is going to help everybody. So subscribe to the channel if this was helpful. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, because I'm finding out stuff all the time on YouTube, and I have a whole ton of other information that can help your channel be more searchable. This is just one, and I could give some more jewels right now, but I'm just going to stop right there because this is the main thing that I want to share with you guys. VidIQ in Creator Studio. Use VidIQ to get your YouTube score, SEO score. Use Creator Studio to get your search terms to type in your tags so your tags could get better and more on point for what people that have saw your video searched for. Refresh your browser and watch that score go up. If that score goes up, you know it's working. And I've tried in my videos, and every single one of my videos that I tried it with, it worked. So you're welcome to leave a thank you if you feel that's necessary. I'd appreciate it, just to let other people know that it's working and I'm just not making a video talking trash. And you know, normally I goof off in my videos and I'm silly. I'm experimenting, trying to find different styles, trying to figure out what I like with this film thing, because I like shooting videos. I like making movies. I like shooting music videos and stuff like that. So I'm just playing around, trying to find my style, if you will. So if this was helpful for you, then don't forget, leave a comment below. Have any questions, don't hesitate, leave a comment below and I'll answer you. Leave a thank you. But most of all, if it works for you, just come back and type "it worked" in the comment section. I'd appreciate that very much. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I told you guys I had a great secret to share with you guys. I hope this was worth your time and your wait, because I know some of you guys wanted to see this. So if this was worth it, then give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe to the channel, and I'm glad I could help you guys as usual. A-Dubb, it's your boy Alan Wade, and I'm out. Peace.